Hey guys, happy Friday. Just so you know, next week we start the new 9 weeks on the 19th and it's homecoming week. We get to do homecoming again. Now, if you're AVL, we still want you to participate in homecoming. I'm going to send out some things that you can do to actually earn some extra credit because we're going to have dress up days and you're going to be able to dress up at home. Isn't that cool? Yes. Awesome. All right, guys. So as we close out the 9 weeks and it's Friday, I obviously wanted to leave you with something a little bit easier. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about a service project that we're doing in Avid. Now, community service or volunteer service is something that you should be considering and completing while you're in high school. There are many scholarships, there's even college applications that will ask you about your service to the community. Keep in mind, when you leave high school, you're not only just going out there to work, you're going to become a part of the community around you. And you need to find ways that you can give back. It's not always money. Sometimes it's time. Sometimes it's effort. Sometimes it's ideas. So in high school, we want to give you opportunities to go ahead and give back to the community. But also, guys, just being honest with you as your Avid teacher, I want to make sure when it's time for you to fill out applications and scholarship applications, you have something that you can put on there for community service. So you're going to notice starting this year, we're going to do at least 2 service projects a year. One will be in the fall, and then one will be in the spring. Depending on what other information we have come up, we may even do more than that. But as Avid, as a whole group, we're going to do at least 2, okay? So you're going to notice that today's title is, wasn't meant to do that. Move away. Sorry. Avid Service Project Socktober. Remember, please complete your attendance check-in first. We're hosting our service project, and I know most of you are AVL, but some of you are face-to-face. You're just working from home, but you can still get involved. So first, I'd like you to watch the video that I attach. Some of you may have heard of a young man by the name of Kid President. He does a lot of motivational, encouraging videos. I think he's fabulous, but he also does partners with Socktober, because this is not something that Mrs. Tucker invented or Avid invented. This is actually a national service project they do every October to help raise awareness for the homeless and also get them socks. So you're going to watch the video just to kind of teach you a little bit more. But then I need you, while you're at home, even if you're AVL, to come up with some ideas to help you get involved with this service project. So I put 3 ideas so far. Alvin High School Avid, we do have a Twitter and an Instagram, and I have already put out there information about collecting donations for Socktober. So you can actually follow Avid or Alvin High School Avid, Twitter, Instagram, and either retweet, post, make your own little flyer. It doesn't matter. But the more you can share with people that you know in the Alvin community, Alvin High School community, the more donations we potentially can receive. Secondly, you can actually do collections on your own. You can ask members of your family, your neighbors, church members to donate items. And what I will do is, if you're going to choose to do this, guys, I will meet up with you sometime after school and I will pick up those donations from you. If you are in a club like HOSA or DECA or Bookworms, if you have a director like a drill team director or a cheer coach, football coach, soccer coach, we're going to ask you to talk to them about how your organization can actually assist Avid with this. Now, I do have a flyer. Let me zoom out a little bit that we did create. So it's October 2020, October 15th through the 30th is when we're going to collect. It tells you about why they chose Socktober, because there are estimated 600,000 people that live on the streets and need simple things like socks. We're doing collections here on campus. Even though it's called Socktober, guys, you can actually get people to donate blankets or other toiletries. Think of toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorant, anything like that we can give to the homeless. I'm going to see if this will let me attach to the assignment or not, and maybe if you can or want to post, or you can share it somehow with your coach, you can do that. But that is what I'm going to ask you to do. So here's your actual assignment. You're going to respond to this post with at least one way you plan to get involved with this service project. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Please get some rest, get ready for the new 9 weeks, and get ready for homecoming. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.